Good afternoon, sir. We are a group one reporters. I am Junior Digook and Frankie Labisto. Ang title ay naman sa among report ay Origin and History of Globalization. And
Globalization. It refers to the economic, political, social, cultural, and technological exchanges that take place among people, nation, and region. It started with early humans migrating from Africa to other parts of the world.
globalization, the spread of flow of financial products, goods, technology, information, and job across national borders and culture. Ang globalization is worldwide movement na siya economic, financial, communication, and trade integration. Like for example, mag-export or import kag mga products from country to one another is matawag na siya og globalization. It is also said nga ang globalization is maoy mahimong way sa atoa nga mas aklos pa sa ubang nation through internet gamit ang internet. Interaction po na siya sa country sa atong kalibutan aron ma-develop ang global economy. Origin and history of globalization. The creations of the gold standard to the global integration of financial markets. The beginnings of modern globalization can be traced to different points in the 19th and 19th centuries. Origin. Naay mga researchers nga nag-point out nga ang origins sa history sa globalization matrace back na siya sa ancient civilization. Example sa earliest form sa globalization is a trade link between sa Sumerian civilization ug Indus Valley civilization. Yan. Yan. Pre-modern period to modern period. The Industrial Revolution in the 19th century was one of the major period in the history of globalization.
Ang modern era nag-start ni siya after the World War II. USA sa main factor sa mga world leader kay gubo ng borders para fostering relation sa mga nation. Ani pod ang period ang mga countries nga pareha sa Indonesia, India, Sri Lanka ug uban pang countries sa South Africa kay nakuha nila ilang independence pod. As result nga nakuha nila ilang independence katong mga country nagsugod sila og ilahang kaugalingong economic system ug nag-establish pud sila ilahang trade relation sa mga uban pang nasud sa kalibutan.
This leads to higher export and better trades and business relation. Explorers like Columbus and Vasco da Gama sailed through the oceans in search of new countries and established trade links with them or to make other countries their colonies.
Ang mga explorer nga pareha ni Columbus ug ni Vasco da Gama sila to ang nagsail or naglakbay para mangita og mga bag-ong country nga makasunod na pud sila trade nga para mahimo nilang colony.
Perspective on the origin of globalization. First, hardwire cycles, pass, pieces, o events.
Hardware, there are four specific aspects of globalization. Ang hardware daw na ay upat ka specific aspect sa globalization. Una, trade. Ikaduha, missionary work. Ikatulo, adventure. Ikaupat, conquest. Cycle. Globalization is a long-term cyc- cyclical process. There have been other global age prior to the present one. Eventually, today, globalization will be replaced by a new cycle. Phases. Globalization is a series of historical phases or waves. It, it's with its own point of origin. Globalization function as growing connectivity. Events. There are multiple points of origin of globalization. Origin is located in seminal historical events. Possible points of origin. There are six possible points of origin. One is the Roman and their far-ranging conquest. Second, the rise and spread of Christianity. Third, the spread of Islam. Fourth, the travel of the Vikings. Fifth is trade is the Middle Age throughout the Mediterranean. Sixth is the activities of the banks of the 12th century Italian city-state. Phases of globalization. There are 8 phases of globalization. One is Eurasian phases starting at 3000 BCE. Second, Eurasian phase starting at 1000 BCE. Third, Oriental phase 1 starting at 500 CE. Oriental phase second started 1100 CE. Fifth, multicentric phase starting at 15 CE. Euro-Atlantic phase starting at 1800 CE. 7 is 20C phase starting at 1950 CE. 8 is 21C phase starting at 2000 CE. Main ideas of globalization. There are two main ideas. From ancient days among early civilization, the exchanges of goods, custom, and knowledge involved through connection that were often solidified through trades, relation, and sharing of ideas. This continued through the colonization of new lands beginning in the 15th century.
Beginning in the mid-20th century, globalization advanced with the promotions of free trade and international cooperation, the end of the Cold War, the introductions of new communication and transportation technologies, and the rise of the Internet.
Age of discover globalization. The age of discovery which began the 15th century marked a crucial point in the growth of globalization. The discovery of new land and the circumnavigation of the world were highly significant develop new scientific knowledge and invention helped the Portuguese and Spanish found the conquer new land. Later the Dutch and English also explore and conquer territory.
The newly formed links between the East and the West facilitate both positive and negative exchanges between the Old World, mainly Europe, and the New World, primarily the Americas, effect of European influence in the Americas were later named the Columbian Exchange. Columbians Exchange after explorer Christopher Columbus 1451 and 1506. This involved the exchanging of lands, animals, inventions, costumes, business ideas, and even people. New crops and animals were introduced in different regions around the world, and new settlers faced distinct challenges while pursuing liberty and wealth. Indigenous population, however, were decimated by epidemics, environmental destructions, and brutality. In light of the displacement and death of many natives, residents